Hi there, everybody. It's MHAUCTIONS&sales. Going to do a quick box break of this year's SP Gameused edition. Got a couple of boxes of it today, and just wanted to let you know that I will try to do more box breaks in the future. I've been a little bit lax on my box breaks lately, only because I've been buying up other things, a lot of artwork and things like that, because I don't just do cards. So I will put a link in the descriptions. These will all be up for sale on my site starting Sunday evening to for sale, 5-day auction. I'll put in the dates and things in the description. So let's start her up and have a little bit of fun here. Should be a fairly quick box break because it's only one pack and 6 cards in each pack, so or 6 cards per pack. So yeah. I do apologize that I haven't been doing a lot of box breaks, but like I said, I mean, I have been doing other things for my site. I just like to do cards for fun, really. The other stuff is my bread and butter, so to speak. Anyhow, let's just get these open. Down there. Okay, so shoot. Cover up card is sort of left, so we'll use a Vladimir Tarasenko Spectrum. So the first card that we've got, whoops, I pulled 2 cards. That's off to an auspicious start as okay. First card up, Colin Delia, 4 of 100, authentic rookies. Oh, let's try the camera. Sorry about that, guys. Colin Delia, 4 of 100. Next one up is another rookie card, Antti Suomela. Sorry, haven't done this in a while. Need a little practice. 168 of 294. Inked rookie sweaters, 11 of 49. Nice patch. Brady Tkachuk, having a very good rookie season. Brady Tkachuk. Yeah, this is a nice card. A good swatch. Our next card up is going to be a Steven Stamkos banner year. Good lord. Steven Stamkos banner year, all one color. Nice big swatch, but unfortunately it's just a big swatch of blue. All-star jersey. And the final card in this, oh, nope, sorry, one more card. Guess I can learn to count. MHauctionSandsales, 59 of 199 jersey. MHauctionSandsales. And the final card in this box is going to be another jersey, Connor Hellebuyck. Sorry. Oh my goodness. Connor Hellebuyck. Skills Fabrics. So, all in all, not a bad little box. It's you know, the Brady Tkachuk, definitely a nice hit there, as we all know that he's having a decent rookie season. If he's anything like his father and his other brother, Matthew, lots of good things are going to come out of that little gem of a player. So, the Ottawa Senators are going to be very, very pleased for him for a long time. All right, second box. Boy, oh boy. We get some harder names to say, please. Ilya Lubinshkin and the Coyotes. Ilya Lubinshkin, 242 of 294. This SP Gameused has got a nice foil hollow type look to it this year. I'm not too displeased with that. That's pretty nice. And another numbered rookie of Zach Anton Reese. Oh boy, I just can't get this one to focus. Sorry, guys. Well, that's 51 of 294. And our next one is an autograph jersey, authentic rookies of Troy Terry. Troy Terry, autographed rookie. And another card coming up, dual patch skills of Alex Ovechkin and Braden Holtby. Braden Holtby. Lots of color in this patch. 1, 2, 3 on the one, and another 3 color. Dual patch, 3 color swatch. Nicely done. Out of 25. 6 of 25. That's a good pickup there. Our next hit is a Skill Fabrics jersey of Nathan MacKinnon. Lots of texture there. Single color. Skill Fabrics, Nathan MacKinnon. And our final card of the pull is Bobby Ryan, single swatch jersey. Bobby Ryan. So I hope you enjoyed this. It was a quick hit. I'll have this posted up and done. These cards, again, I said, will be up for auction coming on Sunday for a 5-day auction. And look forward to seeing you come to my site and pick up a few of these gems. Thank you for now, and look forward to doing a little bit more in the future. Thank you.